Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today guys, we go to museum. Egg hunt. Here is Layton City Center. Here is the view. Daming sakyanan dito. What?
This is what concrete looks like.
Concrete. It's not a concrete that.
What? It came out from here.
That
This.
oh, because maybe it's so old.
That's very hard.
Here is. Look at this tree. Have no leaves. They still have no leaves. Look like dying, but still alive. There is RJ. You want RJ egg hunt today? Let's see if you have egg hunt. Maybe there.
It's closed. There's no men's room open or anything.
What's in there, RJ? It's nice here. Look at this. A mini bird and tree.
See the theater? You see the
Theater.
seats?
Ooh, look at that there.
They have theater. They have,
A movie there.
oh, they have plays. A play, it's a movie.
Oh, theater. It's a theater.
Theater. Well, that's the same thing.
Oh, nice to walk there. Ano?
I'm going to the open welcome place.
Okay.
Find out what's going on. The museum is.
There we go. There is museum. There is. Welcome, RJ.
Welcome to.
Look at that there. Mini kids, RJ. Mini kiddos.
Oh, they are.
It's pretty here, Hannah.
I don't know where it is.
I not know too. Here is.
I'll see you later.
See, need face mask, RJ. There is free admission.
No, I'm
Monday, Thursday,
Oh, no,
11 to
backwards,
6 p.m. Friday, 11 to 5. Sunday, 1 p.m. to
Okay.
5 p.m. Here, RJ.
right?
Oh, nice.
Where's the museum?
It's right here. You're gonna
This one's in
Oh, Easter egg hunt here, RJ.
Okay. So leave the eggs. We have had people come in and pull them and gather them all up and just leave it so other people can find it. But here's a list that you can use to cross off. And here's a pen.
Let's do it. Check mark.
Yeah, just do it. And then these tacos, there's two of each of these eggs, and then 3 of these last 3. So yes, and they're hidden all over the museum.
Inside.
Yes, inside. So yes, just inside all around. So go have fun, check stuff out, and please leave the artifacts alone.
Just don't see it, you check it off.
Yeah, see it, check it off, and yes.
Oh,
All in here? Nothing back here?
There are eggs back there, these display cases, but nothing in these 2 rooms, and it's just over there. There might be eggs in the children's room here, but
oh, look at this here. Look at this building. Look at that Ukraine doll, RJ. You have a Ukraine doll.
That's an egg.
That's all the history of Layton.
Here. There is the building here. It's the church. The church in there. Williams.
That's something else.
Yes, not that. You go here, RJ.
Oh, money.
Oh, look at that building. In the rock, RJ. There's the tolls. Look at RJ. You're lucky if you can found RJ. Have a duck here. Oh, a chick. Look at that chick. Chick, chick. Chick. There's a chicken. Hi guys, we're here now inside the museum, guys. I want to show you guys.
That one.
What? Let's see. Where is
I'll
it?
just see what we find.
Where is it, RJ?
Right here.
Whoa, look at the.
Oh, here's another one.
Don't touch it. Yeah, that one.
Another one.
I just check, honey.
Hey. Look. Right here.
What?
Says, please touch.
Okay.
Oh, it's Morse code.
What?
What?
Try
Morse
again.
code, SOS.
Try again. Uh-oh.
In other words, it's dot, dot, dot. Dash, 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 dot, dot, dot.
And you found RG1.
Another one.
Oh, you just showed that, honey.
Yeah, just lay it
And
down.
I'm just gonna circle them.
And there is other one here. There is pink eggs.
That one.
Okay, you go first. We'll go along the walls. And we'll come back to the interior.
Wow.
Look along the walls.
Look at that.
Look at that whole
Yep.
bar school. Oh,
That's it.
Of other here.
Another one. Do not send. Okay, so that's
What's
the
the yellow
Of
one?
other here.
Ooh, it's purple.
purple.
Yeah,
So-
purple
It's
and
in the top row. Purple here. What
And
do you think?
yellow.
Look.
I think it's this one.
Okay, take that one. You're right.
There you go. One. And that one is the green one here. That one.
oh, look at this here. Old typewriter. Is the stamp. Honey, the stamp this.
Yep.
What the?
And we're looking for eggs, not.
Oh, look! What's that egg,
That's the yellow
Sergey?
No, this is the yellow one.
Yeah, have other yellow.
Which one is it? The circle.
There's the tolls.
That's one of those.
So one underneath that black thing?
But this the scale, RJ. Look,
That's nothing under it.
RJ.
And there's one.
RJ, this the scale. RJ, the old scale. Here.
Are you supposed to sit on
Yeah. Stand up.
it? Huh.
Yeah.
You want to mark this one? Use the table.
Yeah.
One again. So that is
The
a.
white one with color stuff on it.
Oh, have other here too.
This one.
Oh, have other here. Look.
Hey, look.
Hold on,
RJ, look.
That's
let
it.
him look for
Okay.
And that one, which one is that? I'll cover it. Let me dot.
Nicer, have no people, guys.
it.
Only few people here.
Let's keep doing it. It's the white one, doing straight.
Yep.
Yellow?
Yellow.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, have other scale here too.
Doesn't work.
It's not work because it's so old now. Not a scale. Oh, have a choo-choo train here, RJ. You see the choo-choo train?
There's another one.
Ooh, you found a blue one.
We're doing a wall and coming back the middle. You know what I said?
That's dark.
Is
Wall blue, yeah.
Wait, what is that?
There is vegetables, RJ.
Hey, look over here.
I thought we come back from the middle, doing nothing. We didn't do this on the wall.
I got it here. Under
Look at
here. Is that any eggs here? That's not egg.
Okay.
Here's the train.
Oh, yeah.
Train here.
None of that. Please sit.
Local row crops.
Write that thing down. Okay, what is it?
Oh, right on
What color is this? So what color is it?
it. Red with white with red.
Orange. Oh, look like orange.
Yes.
Oh, look at in your front, RJ. See, in the front.
No, there isn't.
No, here too.
I'm looking at that.
There is.
Who's
Oh.
this 2 times? That's a duplicate. Oh, no. That one.
This.
Let's do this one.
Look at RJ here. Oh, I found. I found here. Oh, there's the. Oh, a deer here, RJ. Cut the horn of the deer. Have a pig.
We didn't do the middle, we went back in the middle.
I didn't look at this. Wait, come back. Let me see this.
Okay.
You not see that there? Look.
Huh.
Oh, it's hidden.
Huh.
That one?
Oh,
It doesn't look like it.
Up there too.
that's
There is.
Red with yellow on
Hey, look at the. Wow, so big.
it. Don't lean on
And here is.
another one of these.
What's this called?
Wait, what's this? Oh, this.
Look at that underneath there. See the engine?
Oh.
Oh, it's so cold up there. Don't step in the glass. Northern.
That's it.
it.
1903. Northern run above.
You have to ratify this part? Let's look at the steering wheel. It's that lever.
Wow.
That's the steering wheel.
Still running that, ane?
I doubt it. I'm sure they
No,
do.
have pedal too. Ane?
What?
Here's the pedal. I not know what's that. Yeah, the engine. There is all the dolls here. Oh, look at that. The old gun. Civil War. Is the check here? Oh, you not been here.
Oh, there you go.
Washing machine.
Washing machine, RJ.
What is it? As green down. Finish the
This one. Oh, green dot.
this one. Finish this one.
Oh, good.
Dad. Washing machine.
That's a washing machine.
Yeah.
And the gas range here. Already done there, Hannah. We go here in the other side, Hannah. Oh, only this here. Except now here. Look at the. Is the port in there. Here is the view here. In Layton. Yan. Doon ang concert, oh. Mayroong concert if maybe kapag summer. Saka yan ang museum. Yan. Mayroong Easter egg hens doon.